Let's talk about another amazing technology known as supply chain control towers. This one is much similar to analytics topic we have seen, but is little advanced technology based on foundation of analytical capabilities. Before we see what control towers are, imagine you are managing a large automotive manufacturing company. Your factory receives components from hundreds of suppliers across multiple countries, while simultaneously shipping finished vehicles to dealers worldwide. One day, a key supplier in a different time zone experiences a delay. Without real-time visibility, your production line slows down, deliveries get delayed, and customer satisfaction drops. Now imagine if you had a central system that could track every shipment, supplier, and production stage in real time and alert you instantly about any disruptions. That's exactly what a supply chain control tower are playing a role into. So, what is a supply chain control tower? In simple words, it is a centralized platform that provides end-to-end visibility of a company's supply chain. It collects data from multiple systems like ERP, transportation system, warehouse management platforms, supplier networks, and finally integrates it to give a real-time, holistic view of operations. Think of it as the mission control center for supply chains, allowing managers to see, analyze, and act on events before they escalate. The idea of control towers became popular in the last decade with the rise of globalization, complex multi-tier supply chains, and advanced analytics tools. There are different types of control towers. Our first type is visibility control towers, which focus on tracking goods, shipments, and inventory across the supply chain. Our next type is decision support control towers, which go beyond visibility and use analytics to recommend actions such as rerouting shipments or adjusting production schedules. Another emerging type is cognitive or AI-driven control towers, which not only recommend actions, but also learn from past patterns to optimize future decisions. Hopefully you can already see how each type builds additional intelligence and control over operations. Now let's make it simple with an example of how a control tower works step by step. First, data is collected from all sources which we have already seen. It collects data from ERP systems, warehouse sensors, transportation management systems, and even supplier updates. Second, the control tower platform consolidates this data and presents it on an interactive dashboard with KPIs, alerts, and reports. Third, any disruptions like delayed shipments or inventory shortages are flagged automatically. Fourth, decision makers analyze the alerts and take corrective actions, such as rerouting a shipment or adjusting production schedules. Finally, the system records the outcome and continuously improves its recommendations using analytics. That's amazing learning because it shows how control towers turn raw data into actionable decisions.